हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल शिजी वर्ल्ड। शिजी वर्ल्ड में आप सभी का स्वागत है। सो टुडेस रेसिपी इज मटन करी, everyone's favorite. So let's check out the ingredients. First up, you need mutton. That's 1 kg of mutton. Then you need 2 large onion. I've cut it into this shape. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. After that, you need cinnamon, cardamom, and some clove pieces. Next up, you need some garlic. I've taken a handful, some ginger, and some green chilies. I have taken here 2 green chilies. You can increase or decrease as you like. Now these are some cashew nuts which I have soaked up in hot water for around 10 minutes. This is optional, you can skip it if you don't have. Now I have taken 1 large tomatoes, cut into 6 pieces. These are 2 curry leaves sticks. For the masalas, I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, a pinch of turmeric because at last we don't want a yellowish color gravy or curry. We need a good texture. And now we need a coriander powder. That's 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Now 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can increase or decrease as you like. And a little bit of garam masala powder. I've added all the masalas into the bowl. Here it is. And I will also add into it a little bit of salt as per taste. Next up, you have to take a grinder and in which you have to put the tomatoes, ginger, garlic, the green chili, and I have taken a fennel seed as well, which was missed out earlier. I have added it and turn it into a paste like this. By doing so, you will get a good texture at the last. But if you don't want to grind it off and you don't just simply want to do it, you can however do it just after sauteing of the onions. Here I have taken a pressure cooker and added up the whole spices, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom, and heat it up till the aroma comes up. Now I have added the onions. Fry it till it becomes really golden color because it brings up a good flavor to the dish. Now add the curry leaves and mix everything well. Now we will be adding the tomato mixture which we have prepared and along with it the masalas which we have made. Cook everything for another 5 minutes and then we will be adding our mutton pieces. Here we have added all the mutton pieces and we have also mixed it very well with all the masalas and the gravy mixture. Cook this for another 10 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, just close the lid of the pressure cooker and whistle it for 3 whistles. And your mutton curry is ready. Have it with chapati or with rice. Thank you all for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.